This is Pushpa M. My seminar topic is DHTML. Many of them might be knowing about HTML. Now let us see about what is the meaning of DHTML. Contents. What do you mean by DHTML? Advantages, disadvantages, and difference between HTML and DHTML. First, let us see about DHTML. DHTML stands for Dynamic Hypertext Markup Languages. Dynamic HTML or it can be called as DHTML is a collection of technologies and together to create interactive and animated website by using a combination of a static markup languages. By using this DHTML we can create a websites. DHTML can be used for animate text and images in their documents. We can use for animate the text in the documents. We can include drop down buttons or scroll over buttons also. In this we can include many types of buttons. Let us see about advantages of DHTML. Size of the files are compact in compared to other interaction media like Flash and it downloads faster. It is very easy for to download. It's supported by big browser manufacturers like Microsoft. Highly flexible and easy to make change. It is very easy and flexible to change in their documents. We can add or delete any type of animated text. It has more advanced functionalities than the static HTML. It is more advanced than the static HTML. It is capable of holding more content and web page at the same time. In HTML, it has less quantity and less quality of holding the content and the web pages, but in DHTML we can hold it has a capability of holding the content and the web pages at the same time. Next, let us see the disadvantages of DHTML. It is not supported by all the browsers. It is supported by only the recent browsers like Opera 5. The old browsers, the disadvantages of a DHTML is it can't be supported by the old browsers. Only the recent browsers it will be supported. Learning of DHTML requires a lot of prerequisite languages such as HTML, CSS and JSS. For learning DHTML, we have to learn such languages like HTML, CSS, JSS, etc. Implementation of different browsers are different. So if it worked in one browser, it might not necessarily work the same way in the other browsers. The working is different from one browser to another browsers in DHTML. Now let us see difference between HTML and DHTML. HTML is a markup language while DHTML is a collection of technologies. DHTML is a collection of technologies, websites. It can hold the content and web pages at the same time. HTML is used to create static web pages while DHTML is capable of creating dynamic web pages. Static is a single web pages. DHTML can create n numbers of web pages. DHTML is used to create animations and dynamic menus, but HTML not used. In DHTML we can use and we can create the animations and dynamic menus, but in HTML there is a backlog of which we can't use. DHTML needs database connectivity but not in case of HTML. In DHTML we need the database connectivity to use DHTML, but in HTML there is no need of database connectivity. It can be used in a regular. Thank you.